Here we have the belly tank started now. It's the front plate. This will be the back plate. There's a bit of modification now for the steering and the worm gear. All out of 3mm plate. That's the outline of the tank there now. That radius piece is after being bent in the brake press. That's the cutout there for the steering. That's the opposite side. That's it, just around the covers now, welded up. And the belly tank mounted there now. There's the back bracket there onto the horn plate. There's the cutout inside for the steering bracket. There's a connection to the boiler. It's the other cutout there for the worm, for the steering. Another bracket there. So what's left now is weld in the two top covers and make up the base plate. It's going to be screwed in place. Probably give an extra, I don't know, about 10 gallons I suppose, roughly. That's the filler cap down on, or the filler spout. Let's thread it now and make a cap for it. That's the filler flange now, nearly done. Let's drill the holes for the mounting flange. Make the brass cap for it. Be sitting in there somewhere like that. That's the brass cap sorted there now. What's left now is just drill the holes for mounting. It's the belly tank now welded up. Just fit the bottom cover to make up a gasket and get it blasted in and primed. Right, that's it. Here we have the belly tank fitted now. So, bit of pipe work now off the clacks and pipe work off the belly tank. Back to the back tender. Fit the injector. It's starting to look like something now. To be an extra 60 litres of water in that front tank. So I suppose in total there'll be about 38 or 39 gallons between the back and the front. Just fit the pipe work now from the clacks to the pump and fit the pipe work down into the bottom of the water tank down. So it's the injector that's going in. I have to modify the gland nuts. Be using 3/8 BSP pipe. So that's it for another bit.